you're very welcome back to the channel. And if you haven't been here before, my name is Frank Carroll and you're very, very welcome. So if you haven't been here before, just to try and help the channel out a little bit, if you'd like to like, share and subscribe, and also if you like to hit the bell button there, you'll be notified when any new videos come online. So you're very, very welcome, and thanks folks for joining in. So as the title suggests, today we're going to be discussing gimbals. Myself, I use the Zhiyun Weebill S, and today what we're going to be discussing is the top 10 gimbal moves for beginners. So me being more or less a bit of a beginner myself, I thought I'd like to share some tips and tricks, and hope you enjoy it. So stay tuned, and here we go with number 1. So number 1 is the follow and reverse follow. This is a great basic move for a beginner. Keep your moves steady and bend at the knees, and remember to walk heel toe, heel toe. It's good also to do this in reverse and at further distances. Next up at number 2 we have the orbit. This is another very popular move of vloggers. You can use a person or an item of interest. Make sure you keep the same distance from your subject. Pro tip here is to shoot them 180 degrees in different locations and hard cut them into each other. And speaking of hard cuts, next up we have the body transition. Use a person to create a transition by filming a push in from the front and a pull away from the back. Use a hard cut in post to create a very effective in-camera transition. So next up we have number 4, and this is the push through. With your gimbal on a monopod, push through something like a tree or a car window to come closer to your subject. This can have a very, very dramatic effect. Number 5, the drone reveal effect. To best make this happen, you'll need to use a monopod fully extended. Have your subject walk away from you. As they do, raise the monopod, which makes the final shot give the effect of a drone rising, or like a very professional movie crane. Number 6, the low reverse follow. As it says on the tin, just like number 1, follow your subject at a very low angle, the lower the better. Great for introducing new locations into a story. It also gives a great idea of the terrain that the subject is in. Also great to do this in reverse, as you're walking backwards as your subject follows you. Next up we have at number 7, the focus reveal. Start by manually focusing on your subject, and then block out the shot with either a tree, wall or a person, and then slowly bringing your subject into focus. Number 8, the side track. Different to a follow because you are tracking next to your subject. The most important thing is you facing forward and to have your camera turned to the side. This makes it smoother, and again, remember to bend at the knees and heel toe, heel toe. Number 9, the POV. I like to call this the POV because it gives the view of the person in the shot. For best results, I like to have the camera just above the subject's head height, tilt the camera slightly down, kind of as if they had a GoPro on their head, but you can still actually see the head of the person. Last but not least, we have number 10, the 360 roll. Probably best used on street shots in urban areas. Set your gimbal into vortex mode and spin it left or right, depending on which way you want to go. Pushing in towards your subject. Don't overdo this because you can make your viewers very, very dizzy. Well folks, that's it for me and the top 10 gimbal tips for beginners. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to get out there with your camera and your gimbal and just experiment. Don't forget folks to like, share and comment. This helps the algorithm out an awful lot in order to push the channel out there to other people. So if you like and comment, I promise I'm going to answer and reply to as many comments as I can. And like I said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and it'll help an awful lot. So looking forward to seeing you on the next video. Hopefully that won't be too long more, okay? So have a great day, and I'll see you guys all again very, very soon. Thanks for tuning in.